OBVPNs of 9th class. Today, your Gaurav sir is again with you with the interesting story The Lost of Child, written by Mulk Raj Anand. So, students, the Mulk Raj Anand was a pioneer of Indian English literature. He was born on 12 December 1905, Peshawar, British in India. Means at the British time it was in India. And he died on 28 September 2004 in the age of 98 in Pune, India. His main occupation was only writing. So students, he has written many more novels and stories. So one of a short story of it, that is The Lost Child. So students, before reading that story, I would like to ask some questions to you and think about that questions, okay, before reading this chapter, because it will help you in this chapter. So at first I would like to ask, anyone have an experience that you have lost in fear or any place? So students, do you have an experience of it, like when you lost your parents or you lost yourself at any place? And the second one is, what is your opinion or thinking about this chapter, on which theme the chapter will move on, whether happy or sorrow, and why? So let's read this chapter. So I would like to give you the introduction of this chapter. So what is the intro? So students, The Lost Child is the story of a small child who gets lost in a fair. He had gone with his parents to fair, but loses them when he gets engrossed in looking at the roundabout swing. The story highlights the bond of love and affection that the child shares with his parents. Before losing them, he had been demanding different things like sweets, balloon, flower, swings, etc. Once he lost them, he picked up by a stranger, and stranger tried to quieten the child by offering him all the things which he demanded from his parents. But the child doesn't want them anymore. He wants only his parents first. So that is the introduction of this chapter. So let's start, student, how the story goes. It was a springtime. Every people were keen on fair and went to fair. So everybody was thinking to going into the fair. In fair, some walked, some rode on horses, other sat. But our hero, the little boy running between his father's leg, means in that story they are going through a fair. His parents were calling him and asked him to follow them, but he was lagging behind with the excitement of seeing stalls in the road. He went back to his parents, but his eyes were wandering. That one things which he has seen in the street, means the boy was thinking about the stalls. That stall were there of fruits and other things. He was looking to them, but when again the child's parents called him, he started to following to his parents again. But still he was thinking about that balloons, and other things which were in the fair. The little boy demanded the sweets and toys displayed in the shops. He left attracted towards many things, so he lagged behind time and again. When the boy demanded a toy, his father looked at him with red-eyed and his familiar tyrant way. The boy tried to catch the dragonflies in the mustard field. On the way, again was left behind. Then his parents called him again. Then his parents took rest of the while under a banyan tree, and after some time they reached the fair. The boy lost his mind in the wonderful of the fair. Then he suddenly listened the loud voice of sweet sellers and slowly muttered. He wanted that burfi, but he did not do so for fear of his father. He also eagerly watched the gulmohar flower or balloons, but again he did not demand because he thought that his parents will again see with the red eyes and they'll not fulfill his demand. So he didn't ask to his parents. Okay. So how the story is going? They are in the fair. They are passing through a fair. The child is looking towards the shops and he want that, but he could not say to his parents. He stopped himself many more times, but due to his parents calling him, he again followed to them. But at this time, again when they came in the fair, then the boy boldly requested to his parents to let him have a ride of roundabout and turned back to look them. But to his surprise, no sign of them was there. A full deep cry rose within his dry throat. With a sudden jerk of his body, he ran from where he stood, cried in real fear, "Mother, father, mother, father." Now the boy had been separated from his parents. So now what happened? At this time, when he demanded boldly that I want to ride off a roundabout, a merry-go-round, at this time he was alone there. His parents went ahead and he was back. But when he looked, there was no one. He lost his parents. He was alone there. He was separated. Now he started crying for his father and mother. The poor child struggled to make his way between the feet of people, but was knocked to and for by their brutal movements. He might have been trampled. At this time, students, he cried with high pitch of his voice, "Mother, father." But the boy was unable to find his parents anywhere. He just started crying a lot. Means he has lost his parents. Now he was thinking about his parents only. Where his parents? He may have left them. He may have lost them. He was thinking like this. Suddenly, a kind-hearted man lifted him up. the boy in his arm and tried to his best to console the boy. That man took the boy to the flower seller, balloon seller, snack shower, juggler, and for the joy ride also. But the boy had no interest in all these things except his parents. He cried and sobbed. He wanted his parents only. He said, I want my mother. I want my father. Means, students, now think. When he was with his parents, he was thinking about that all shops, balloon sellers, jugglers, and to take a ride on the merry-go-round. But when he came to know that he has lost himself, his parents are missing. So at this time, he was not thinking about all these things in which he was having interest. At this time, he want only his parents. So that is the conclusion of that story, that when we are in trouble, we need only that things which are really necessary, not that things which we are interested. Okay? So that was the whole story of your chapter, The Lost Child. I hope all of you students have understood the story. So kindly do the work on time of question answer, which I will send you in PDF. Okay then, thank you for being with us. Bye bye.